Former Italian defender Daniel Adani, he don't come outside now, can't reveal to us, say, controversial PSG footballer Mauro Icardi, they do his wife 12 times a day. 12 times, oh, I not to say 2. And the woman where we they talk about, no other person than Wanda Nara. Omo. When I hear this matter, they look, you know that son. I put this woman picture, maybe they see her face. When I say her, now like that I stand with the picture, they look, because I try imagine. My people, I don't try calculate. I even try break and down. I divide them. Midnight they feed do 3. Then when they break, they will do another 3. Now 6 be that. Then in the afternoon, they will do another 3. Now 9 be that. Then in the night, another 3. Now wait till me I calculate. Because I know this. Hey, me. Sex don't turn achievement. Oh. In fact, it don't turn. But my people, I understand this woman. No, relax. When I not say I always give you a correct details. I understand them because I remember some time ago. Now this same woman come outside, they complain, saying husband not they satisfy her. And according to Antonio Conte, he to say relationship, he they talk about footballers now. He say relationship not supposed to last too long because it will make the players to get too tired. And this woman now, the what do they call her, the wife, she can't react to this matter. No be smart, you know. She even, in fact, after the Antonio can't make this thing, she don't increase the level of the, you understand? He say, no day, no time where no they give am to the husband. Very, very important. And this woman, I remember before, sometimes so she go just come outside. They complain. Before you know, she go come tell us, say, sometimes, before they start the match, she go down. Hey, omo, but Oga today professional. They say Oga no go gree, many, omo. Hey, yeah. 12 rounds. 12. No, the thing is still the. I beg God. You know, say no be this type I beg you for. You know, God no fit give me waiting. Waiting I no fit handle. Waiting happen a marathon. 12. I no get work today. I beg. I dey show say this Wanda. When I dey show say Wanda no be from Edo State, because Edo girls. Hey, I beg. Now, if you know say you be from Edo, I don't know, but now matter where reach me. They don't say these girls Edo. If they just carry, if they catch man, put am under. They say the man go just the answer him mama name. He go forget him papa name. He go just the answer him mama name. Hey. You carry everything they do. No be juju be that. No be juju be that. Make person tell me. Then tomorrow now, I beg. I no one here say you cheat on this woman. Now then me and person go enter pants. If I hear say this man cheat on this woman. No, wetin be your excuse? Which reason you get? Woman where they give you 12. No, which reason you get? If you end up the cheat on this woman, my brother, now be say, your village people, they use your files as pillow. Your files, they gather them as pillow. Because I know they see what they look for again for outside. No wonder. Because when this guy, they play ball, hey, I go come they ask myself, say, why this guy too they fall down? It's a bit fall like mumu foul. No, say na the reason be this. Now why you for all your strengths now? Strength where you suppose they gather so that you go score goals. You go they score goals for another place. Only you they use them for bedroom. My brother, the God I serve is with you. No, you try and first. Make her just hear. Say you cheat on this woman, you go with one girl. What? You go see me for that your country. You go not say I be spiritual. I go just appear. It go shock you. No, my people, waiting the person like this, they find again. Make you not tell me. 12 rounds. All of you now, like they talk say, hey, I'm tired of rice, I like beans. 12 rounds. Inside that 12 rounds, my brother, you must find that beans. So. That egusi, you go find her. That pandejan, you go find her. Salad, you go. In fact, make sure say you find all your favorites inside that 12 rounds. Don't the fire devil. Not just try them. Women women they try, right, people? I beg, I say make I bring this one because it shocked me, and I know say it go even shock una double. So I beg, wait till you guys talk concerning this case. Una fit do the ladies in the house, how far? Who fit stand this 12 round matter? I beg, if you know say you fit, make a set challenge with you and Wanda. Very, very important. My people, I beg start to drop the comment. I go reply on one by one as usual. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you go no say 12 round they go on, my people? And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wait till they share for this house. Stay tuned for our next story. Sakawa boys matter don't reach us again. Omo, you don't say where I hear this matter. Sakawa, hey, finally you don't come again, my people. I say make I bring a come aside. This one, na ring matter. They say, I will make us sit down way first. It happened for Kaswa, straight Accra, Ghana. So now the matter can be say this guy they do Sakawa. He dey wear the ring. Ungwanu. Now the ring, when they give her the money according to matter we reach me, they say na through the ring, the funds they come, you understand? So he can't get one friend, the friend don't they ask and say, bros, how far? Show me the way. Where did they bring all this money? Una know na guys, how na they relate? Say, bro, show me the way, show me the way. That one, be like say, you know, greet, tell him. Now, so one day, he go in house, he see ring. Bam, he carry the ring. Wear am, he carry and go. As he go, no, this one too can't forget. In fact, because the rule, but I say the rule where the Baba give this guy, be say, make this ring don't touch soapy water. When I know those conditions when they go, they give them, don't bath, don't do this and here. Now one of them be that. And the guy will carry the ring, no even know anything concerning that ring. Just carry and boom, because he be like say, he don't they suspect, say, be like say now this ring they give this guy money. Now so in wear am, people are saying wear am, go use soapy water inside. Hey, wahala come wear ring. The ring come dey tight. It dey tight. It dey try remove and no fit remove. It dey try remove and no fit remove. Ngwanu, can't see problem. Now so they call the owner of the ring, say Ngwanu, now we carry this ring from your side. So wait till you guys talk. He can say, bros, you carry this ring. They say yes. Now their problem starts, my people. And relax, so this boy now in hand on, in fact, you don't they bleed, they don't remove part of the ring, but the rest no gree come out. And according to the Baba we give that guy the ring, the Baba tell us say they must bring blood of a baby in order to perform sacrifice so that that ring will come out. And if they give them 1 week, if that ring, if they not bring the baby sacrifice, the blood, say now the boy wey wear the ring now wey no dey comot na him they go use as the sacrifice. So I say Ngwanu, my people must not miss this one. So I beg we don't catch another one. Join me, make we watch the video.
What video? Sano. Said it. So if you are saying said yes, see a year corner no. Someone said we are echo. Ubika wada hono akofa kawano. Ashe. Kawano ye half at watching. And so still kawano half na can me aninsa. Ihyamwa say empire bo said you omwaye. Na boy ni intimate na ho. Cause kawano ono na ese ono na eda ho e na okofa ayo. Ono na ese eda ho e na okofa kawano. Ehye se ono agasa na kofa ye se ono na akodi na aduro na de ni ano obi ani mu hwe
hey labalamo now boys are money. Give me, I not just know where will they go again. Money go keep people for this life where we come. Money, that paper where we they see, people they die for the sake of that thing. You dey baby, you they give your mama wahala. You can't grow now for this your age, you still they give people wahala. In the first place, waiting go carry you. You go carry person ring where? Enike see. Your big eyes, your own are just to the carry. See, I don't tell you something. In this life, they very careful. They very careful. See wahala where this boy don't go put himself inside. No, una see am. Now they don't they break. Una even see as they bleed. The other part no gree comot. Now you go look for baby blood. Meaning say now, as I dey talk to now they find pikin where they go kill. Wait till you think say they want to use the pikin do. The pikin go die. Now the only option now, according to Baba, or no be me talker. Now the only option now. Una go just the disgrace human being. So people where they do legit work now, they be stupid. They no just get sense. They no get brain. I don't tell una no they rush. No they rush. Una see this one, you don't jam rock. You don't jam. And the thing where they pay me, one thing where I don't even notice, even as they watch, they see things where they happen to other people, instead of maybe they learn from that one. Be like say they enter here, they come up for this side, they go still enter again, go do another. In fact, they go even go do the worst one. Where una they rush go? No, where una they rush go? Where and why? This life, everybody get in turn. I dey talk this thing every day. No envy anybody. If you be my friend, I see say you don't dey cash out. I ask you, no, definitely that one dey happen normal level. Babe, show me the way now. What's up? You understand? But the moment you no fit explain, and even when you explain, I notice say na one barbaric thing. My sister, we move. You understand? I no go come. This life I can't keep myself now. No, why? Why I go kill myself? Hey, see, my people, I don't bring una this matter because it be like say some boys, their brain don't conk. You know, nothing fit enter inside the game. And I then show say my brother, by the that is if you even recover this one. By the time you recover am, next time, even person biro, pen, if you see am, you go jump and pass. Nobody go tell you. Continue. Some people life just dey like that. Anything where they see they won't wear, anything where they see they won't carry. Must you take everything? No, must you take everything? You have even noticed it too, because you notice am. According to matter, they say he even notice that the ring they give him friend money. What is good for the wetin they call that thing? What is good for the goods is not good for the ganja. Be how una dey talk am. Now wetin just happen? You carry another person market now. Now they go come use you for sacrifice. The matter for they different. If as the ring no dey comot, the person wey go meet Baba na he go die. But now you wey go poke nose, now you go come die. And I just dey hope say this thing go teach many people lesson. First of all, learn to mind your business. Second of all, don't take what does not belong to you without permission. It's very, very important. And if you see, you're not supposed to sense trouble. Learn how to sense trouble. If you ask person, oh, what's up? You supposed to know, use your head. Person don't want to tell you something, no go tell you, go they beat around the bush. This one too, mumu, it still go. Now people now say I go bring and come aside so that our boys go learn, because I know say many of them still dey outside there. In fact, even as I dey talk now, some of them still dey plan now, say how their next move, their next Baba. I beg, give up on that thought that is entering your head. If not, you no go like the ending. Now why I bring am? I know say person they hear me now. Person need this advice where they give now. Why I bring am? You understand? I beg, give up on that thought. Go look for normal work. You no go kill you. Very, very important. My people, I beg, wetin una gats talk concerning this one, oh. Because high as me now only to talk and pray. I fit pray for them. I no fit kill myself. You understand? So I beg, drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you share this video. Make we help our fellow brothers who still outside there. They think of this matter. You understand? And if you never subscribe, very, very important. Because just click on that thing so that you no go to miss anything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.